How do I feel? Through that sound, how do I hear? Tell me how you feel.
I feel like nobody knows what I'm feeling. I'm gonna play this game. I'm gonna play this game. How do you feel? You know how I feel? You see how I feel? Everybody know how I feel? Little nerd on the spot, everybody watching. You know how I feel? Okay? How I feel? Yeah, that's how I feel. I feel like it's not good enough. Okay? No matter what I say, how I feel, it's not going to be good enough for you. That's how I feel. So what else you want to know?
Try to stay a little more still, still subtilizing it.
All right.
And did it go too far?
What? I was excited, so I was walking around. Okay? And now I got to sit in one spot now.
Did it go too far,
Where? What?
Donnie? It went too far?
What do you? Why else would I be freaking out if it didn't go too far? You know. Why do you even ask a question like that? You know. You know it went too far.
It wasn't supposed to be like this?
It wasn't even. I was supposed to be better than that. But look at me. What happened? Huh? What? The man in the white fuck had like the untouchables? That didn't happen? And then as soon as I open my mouth, somebody gets whacked. Some guy got whacked the other day. 2 bullets in his head. It might as well have been me, just cause I spilled a little something.
How do I feel?
What do you think I feel? I feel like crap. I feel like shit. Got people dying for me, or because of me. How do you think I feel? What? I feel like a piece of shit.